You know, guys, the problem with these children who were born in the 2000s, it's us as black African parents, because we like to copy and paste other people's cultures. All these children who are doing nonsense that I can't even mention, the 2000s, guys, they are giving us pepe. And that's because we started doing things that are not ours. We started doing things like baby showers, getting children presents and giving them names and doing everything that's against our culture. Doing things before they are born and not even doing anything that is culturally close to what our parents did, our grandparents did, our forefathers did. So don't blame the children. It's our fault. We should stop this copy and paste of other people's cultures. And then when things go wrong, we start complaining. Because hey,
please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. Subscription is free. Mahala.